Alright, so I'm currently working on a machine learning neural networks system generator. And in essence, what it does is it takes a set of statistical tools and it analyzes data that's been given to it in order to find interesting and bizarre relationships in data that most humans wouldn't otherwise have found. So this over here is a visualization of what the neural network is testing. And the more of a line that it looks like, the stronger the relationship is. So let's see, that had a bit of a line, because there's a bit of a relationship in the data there. So there's another relationship in data. Another. It's not detecting these ones as linear, however. There it is. Just detected a linear relationship. Another. So you can see the command prompt spits out the statistical tools used to generate the equation. Okay. There. Looks like it's on a break. Must be doing something pretty computational. But anyways, so I've given it a very large amount of statistical tools, and I'm just analyzing the relationships between various assets and their order flow. The number generated is a correlation coefficient, and what that is a number between 1 and -1 that tells you how accurate the model is. So it's generated some pretty accurate models, although these models are subject to what's known as overfitting. So these have to be tested on paper trading. So now that I've generated some models, I'm going to put them all together, and in a few days I'll be testing the data. So I have 4,999 bars of 5-minute data. So then we do 12 times 24. So that means it's about 17 days worth of R data that I'm testing the models on. So let's do another run, since it seems to have gotten stuck on something that's pretty highly computational. But basically, it's looking for these relationships in data. And the next stage that I want to do is a multidimensional regression analysis, where I would fit in a very colossal amount of data. Like if you look at, here I'm reading on 3D linear regression, because eventually I want to implement a neural network where it's 3 inputs of data sets rather than 2. Oh, here's a linear relationship that's been discovered. Let me throw it in here. There. There. So it's discovering some pretty interesting things, like all these are just different relationships in data that it's discovered, and then I'm going to fit them all together and eventually try to explain all of the different phenomena in the market. Hopefully I can explain them all. But most of these are probably subject to overfitting. So anyways, I'm going to live test these and hopefully find a good amount that still function comparable to their claimed amount here. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. Alright, let me go ahead and end the video. Stop.